Yes. 2008.
Yes,
Yeah.
you were here with us.
Yes. On behalf of Otumfuo.
And my friend was also here with us.
Yes. On behalf of Otumfuo, I have the honor to present to you a stool. Otumfuo was delighted when we were here in 2008 to observe that the motif of the building was a stool to show the permanence of the institution and the fact of the heritage of Ashanti that we wanted to perpetuate. And that is why he readily gave me the consent to use the motif. And today, with the building completed and it being formally commissioned, it is proper that he comes to you with an actual stool which has this crest with the chair embossed on it. And the biggest tool in Ashanti is the rolling stool, the name of which is a Sikaja Kofi. So you see Kofi coming back, Kofi, yes. And you may want to bend the objects, but you may not bend the spirits. You can never bend the spirits. So with Otumfuo presenting the stool, we're telling you that the spirit of the stool will permeate the teaching that you do here, and it would infuse into your students the symbol, the feeling of cultural identity, which was so much highlighted during his lecture this afternoon. And having said that, I now have the formal pleasure of presenting you the stool on behalf of
Artists who the expectation how it's here. So where is he to come and
see. I'm traveling from the abstract to the real. So this is the stool. Yes. Manifestation. You see this curved nature at the top, the concrete nature to allow for the sitting and the support and the base. And it's put on 4 legs to give it strength and stability. This is the chair, the emblem of the king. That is good about. Yeah.